New Camaro body reveal? Not quite what you expected, but we're gonna cover it anyways, because it's Camaro news. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage. And I'll be honest, I thought there was some breaking news that was earth-shattering, gonna change the way GM was moving forward with the Camaro, and not so much. So initially I was presented with this photo, which at first look looks 100% like it could be a next generation vehicle. Looks like it could be the next car, but I questioned it slightly because there's hood vents. And if GM is gonna follow their moniker of what they've been touting the last couple years, all their future cars are electric only. Now, there's hope that a potential future Camaro would be half and half, or with a gas motor with electric assist or something like that. And Mark Roos recently just doubled down on how GM skipped the hybrid market and was going straight full electric because that's what they believe the future was going to be. Now, then I saw this image, which was, the new NASCAR body reveals. And it's kind of a big change for NASCAR in a sense where I believe all of the cars are getting a makeover for the most part that follow the same kind of DNA genetics. And looking at the individual image again, it screams NASCAR all over the place. The upper body for the aerodynamics, almost no A-pillar in the forward position. And then I looked back at some of the 2019, like back in 2019 when they revealed the initial upcoming changes or the prototype for the changes, it's like, dang it. This is a NASCAR body reveal. So May 5th, NASCAR's revealing the new look, the new NASCAR bodies that are a Camaro. It's a ZL1 based design. If you guys didn't see the previous designs, here's what the NASCARs look like now with the ZL1 body, but they really, that was a really jerky tease right there. I don't know if it was on GM's part or NASCAR's part, but it looked like it was like full Tron electric car kind of reveal. And then I saw the hood vents and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's not just electric. And I mean, they look cool. May 5th, they're gonna be doing a virtual walk around tour. You could check them all out. I don't know if they've posted the time. I'll post down below in the description. So if you care about NASCAR and want to see what the new cars look like, definitely looks like a much wider platform, aerodynamic setup for NASCAR with the Camaro. In the prototypes, they look pretty cool, but at the end of the day, it's not a new platform. It's not the next gen Camaro. I was hopeful. Maybe I was too hopeful, but it definitely was a tease that made me sad after looking into it. That's today's Camaro news. Oh, also, Camaros going back into production starting next week. Are they going to be 2021s or 2022s? The rumor is 2021s are done and all new models are 2022s, but with the plant opening at the end of, or the beginning of next week, I don't know if that's true, or is it this week? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th? No, yeah, I think it's next week. So I think the rumor floating around the internet's May 7th. So Camaro production has started back up, or will have started back up, and then we got some new NASCAR looking ZL1 styling. Why couldn't this be the next gen Camaro? Yeah, that's all I got. Until next time, guys. See you on the road.